I'm going to review the AQVIN AQB30 pre-built gaming desktop PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today, we're diving into an impressive piece of hardware that's bound to elevate your gaming, work, and entertainment experiences, the AQB30 Gaming Tower Desktop PC from AQVIN. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone looking for a powerhouse for multitasking and content creation, this desktop might just be your new best friend. Let's break down why this could be the perfect addition to your setup. First up, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the processor. The AQB30 is powered by an Intel Core i7-6700 CPU, clocking in at a remarkable 3.4 GHz with a boost up to 4.0 GHz. This means you're looking at some serious power under the hood. Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions, rendering high-definition videos, or managing multiple applications at once, this processor has got you covered. Pair that with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB SSD, and you've got a setup that promises quick boot times, rapid load screens, and seamless performance across all your tasks. The 1TB SSD ensures that not only do you have ample storage space for your games, movies, and files, but it also significantly reduces wait time, so you spend less time staring at loading screens and more time enjoying your content. Now let's talk about visuals. The AQB30 comes equipped with a dedicated Radeon RX 580 8GB graphics card. This powerful GPU delivers crisp, realistic, ray-traced visuals, providing an immersive gaming experience like never before. Whether you're exploring expansive open worlds or engaging in fast-paced action, expect stunning graphics and smooth gameplay. But that's not all. This gaming tower doesn't just perform well, it looks amazing too. The AQB30 features customizable RGB lighting through a tempered glass side panel, giving your setup a futuristic vibe that's sure to impress. You can choose from a variety of color effects to match your style or mood. Running on Windows 10 Pro, the AQB30 offers a user-friendly interface, enhanced security features, and advanced apps to make your computing experience smooth and secure. Whether you're working from home or just browsing, you'll benefit from its robust operating system. And if you're worried about after-purchase support, AQVIN has you covered. With a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year product warranty, plus lifetime free consultation, you can purchase with confidence knowing you have solid support behind you. However, it's worth mentioning that this powerful setup does come with a relatively hefty weight and size, coming in at 23.4 pounds and dimensions of 20.5 by 20.5 by 11.5 inches. So make sure you have the space to accommodate it. Overall, the AQB30 Gaming Tower Desktop PC offers an exceptional blend of performance, aesthetics, and reliability. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or just enjoying your favorite entertainment, this PC is designed to handle it all with ease. If you're looking for a powerhouse that not only performs, but also looks fantastic, the AQB30 might just be what you need. If you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.